In case of joint pain, avoid these: red and processed meat. Both have chemical purine and nitrite that make pain and inflammation worse. These foods also have toxins called glycation and proteases, and they make inflammation more serious. A 2014 study of the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences said that red meat glycan develops more inflammation and progressive cancer. Another study of the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition made a link between red meat and inflammation markers. Replace the red processed meat with veggies and fruits. Sugars and artificial sweets. Too much sugar makes more ages and inflammation. Sugar triggers cytokines,